So within 20 minutes, you have to solve this assignment, and then we will discuss the solutions. The 20th term of the sequence is defined by, जो sequence है, that sequence is defined by an is equal to n into n-2 over n plus 3. So A20, say you have to write the value of n as 20 minus 2 over 20 plus 3, that is 23. So it will be 20 into 18 over 23, 360 over 23. First question. The next is question number 2. Side by side, you can type your answers in the chat box. Second question. ABC are in AP. Then what is A minus B over B minus C? So its answer will be, जब ये AP में है तो A minus B will be same as B minus C. इसकी वैल्यू भी minus D और इसकी वैल्यू भी minus D हो जाएगी. So their ratio will be 1. Next is question number 3. A, B, C, D and E are in AP. Then you have to find the value of A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus E. So we can write, if these are in AP, A can be written as A plus 4, B can be written as A plus D plus 6, C can be written as A plus 2D, then minus 4, D can be written as A plus 3D, then plus E, A plus 4D. So after adding all these, A plus 4A, it is minus, here put minus, A minus 4A, that is minus 3 plus 6, it will become plus 3 minus 4, that is minus A plus A, 0A. Plus how many D's? Minus 4D, then 2 6 the 12, 12 minus 4 8, then here 4th is a 12, so it will be minus 4, again here plus 4, it will become 0D, that is 0. So answer of third part is 0. Next, fourth part. 5th, 9th and 13th term of a GP are X, Y, Z. So here A5 is equal to X, A9 is equal to Y, A13 is equal to Z. 5th, 9th and 13th term of a GP are X, Y, Z respectively. Then X, Y, Z are in GP or not? Is it true or false? So you have to justify here 5th term, that is A r raised power 4 is X, A r raised power 8 is equal to Y, A raised power 12 is equal to Z. So you have to find here ratio Y over X. A r raised power 8 over A r raised power 4 is r raised power 4. Powers will be subtracted. Then Z over Y, A r raised power 12 over A r raised power 8, it is also r raised power 4. Both are equal. So this statement is true that these are in GP, which implies X, Y, Z are in GP. तो ये भी geometric progression में होंगी. The statement is true. Next is, if X, X plus 3 and X plus 9 are first three terms of GP. Question number 5. X, X plus 3, X plus 9. These are the first three terms of GP. You have to find the value of X. So what will be there? X plus 3 over X will be equal to X plus 9 over X plus 3, or directly you can write square of the middle term, that is X plus 3 whole square is equal to product of first and third, X into X plus 9. Now you have to simplify the equation and you have to find the value of X, which implies X square plus 6X plus 9 is equal to X into X, X square plus 9X. X square से X square cut हो जाएंगे, so you are left with 9 is equal to 9X minus 6X, that is 3X. So value of X will be 3. So in question number 5, value of X is 3. Side by side you can type your answers. Next question, question number 6. A, B, C are in GP, then log A, log B, and log C. A, B, C are in GP. It means A can be written as A, B can be written as AR, C can be written as AR square. So A, B, C are in GP. We have to find whether log A, log B, and log C, these are in AP or not. So log A will be as it is, log A, log B be log AR, then log C will be log AR square. Now here log A will remain as it is. You know the property log A into B, it will be log A plus log B. So it will be log A plus log R, and here log A plus log R square. Again power है, it again can be written as log A plus 2 log R. Power जो है वो आगे आ जाएगी. Clear? So now we have to find whether log A, log B, log C, these are in AP or not. So difference of these two, log B minus log A is equal to, इन दोनों में से subtract किया, it will be only log R. Log A से log A cut हो जाएगा. Next is log C minus log B is equal to, अब इन दोनों को जब हमने subtract किया, log A से log A cut हो गया. Next is 2 log R में से 1 log R subtract हो गया. You are left with log R. Now the common difference in these two are, common differences दोनों में same है. So therefore it is an AP, which implies log A, log B, log C are in AP, तीनों AP सीरीज में है, तो स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. Next is find the sum of 14 terms of an AP whose 7th and 8th term you are given. 7th term is 1 and 8th term is 13. S14 आपने find out करना है, sum of 14 terms of AP. Now here A7, 7th term is 11 and A8 is 13. So these are the two consecutive terms. If we subtract two consecutive terms, then their difference will be common difference. 8th term में से 7th term minus कर दी, so common difference is A8 minus A7. 13 minus 11, that is 2. Now we have got the common difference. Either we have to find the value of A or A14. Clear? अब sum of A की value भी चाहिए आपको, A14 भी चाहिए to find out the sum of 14 terms. So A की value substitute in A7. So here A7 is equal to 11 implies A plus 6D is equal to 11. A plus 6 into 2 is equal to 11. A is equal to 11 minus 12, that is minus 1. A की value आपको मिल गई. So next value we need to find A14, or directly you can find 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So A14 कितना हो गया? Minus 1 plus 13 into D. Minus 1 plus 13 into 2. Minus 1 plus 26, that is minus 25. Plus 25, positive sign. Clear? So plus 25 is the 14th term. Otherwise आपके पास A8 है पहले, और A8 में 14th term find out करनी है, तो इसमें 6D अगर हम ऐड कर देंगे, 6D इसमें ऐड कर देंगे, we will get A14. That is also the right method. अब आपको S14 find out करना है, sum of 14 terms. That will be 14 over 2 into A plus L. First term is minus 1 and last term is 25. So 7 into 24. So it is 168. Next question. Find the value of, now question number 8. One minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus, and then so on like this, plus 101. So we can separate these two terms, 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on like this up to 101. इनका टोटल हम अलग से करेंगे, और दूसरी टर्म्स है जो नेगेटिव साइन कॉमन निकाल के 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on up to 100, इनका टोटल अलग से कर लेंगे. Now both the terms are in AP with common difference, दोनों में common difference है D. ठीक है, दोनों में कॉमन डिफरेंस है D, दैट इज 2. इसमें भी 2 है और इसमें भी 2 है, दोनों को सेपरेट ऐड करके एंड देन वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट द 2. सो हियर फर्स्ट टर्म इज A, लास्ट टर्म इज 101. सम ऑफ दीज टर्म्स कितना हो जाएगा? वी डोंट नो nth टर्म कौन सी है यहाँ पे, 101. सो 100 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस n minus 1 into value of D, that is 2. So from here we can find the number of here. कितना हो जाएगा? 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 100 over 2 is equal to n minus 1. n की value 51. तो आपके पास ये 51 टर्म्स हो गई। इनका टोटल जब आप करोगे दैट विल बी 51/2 in the bracket a plus 1 plus 101. So it will be 51/2 into 102. After cutting, it will be 51. So that will be 51. Now here, इनको जब आप ऐड करोगे, then also sum of even terms जितनी भी है सब -1 common, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 100. So last term is here 100, common difference is 2. So here 100 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 100 minus is equal to n minus 1 into d. 98 is equal to n minus 1 over 2 कर दी 49. So n is equal to 50. यहाँ पे 50 हो गया। अदरवाइज अगर आप शॉर्ट में करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे इनके पेयरिंग कर सकते हो आप, लेकिन लास्ट में 101 दैट विल रिमेन अलोन। क्लियर? -1 करके भी कर सकते हो। नाउ दीज आर 50 टर्म्स, इनको आपने ऐड किया। सो 50/2, a की वैल्यू 2 प्लस l इज 100. So it will be 25 into 102. Clear? Now subtract the 2. So overall answer आपके पास कितना आ गया? First answer is 51 square minus 25 to 100. Clear? इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए and you will be able to find out the answer. After that, question number 9. Here a and g are the arithmetic mean and geometric mean between two positive numbers. Then find the numbers. So positive numbers को हम क्या ले लेते हैं? a and b. So arithmetic mean a is equal to a plus b over 2, or we can say a plus b is equal to 2a. Similar, geometric mean under root ab is equal to g, or we can say ab is equal to g square. So it will be quadratic. अब यहाँ पे आप b की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो, a into value of b will be 2a minus a is equal to g square. So it will be quadratic in a and you have to find the value of a. The equation will become 2a into a minus a square is equal to g square, or a square minus 2a into a plus g square is equal to 0. अब ये quadratic equation है. Using quadratic formula you can write the value of a. And in the last, insert 3 geometric mean between 1 and 26. तो हम ये सपोज कर लेते हैं 1 और 26 के बीच में 3 geometric means हैं, 1 and 256. ठीक है? So a1, a2, a3. So it will be ar square, ar cube, and it is ar raised power 4. So from here substitute the value of ar raised power 4, that is r raised power 4 is equal to 256. From here find the value of r. a की वैल्यू पता है, आपके पास r की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी. You can find ar square and then ar cube.